Heuchera Grape Expectations, a jewel in the shade. The first time I saw Heuchera Grape Expectations, I knew it wasn't your average coral bells. The foliage, a vibrant grape purple splashed with black veins, practically glowed in the dappled shade. It was like a burst of unexpected color yearning to be a part of my garden. But before I went on a Heuchera shopping spree, I needed answers. Is Heuchera Grape Expectations a perennial? Absolutely. Heuchera Grape Expectations is a clump-forming, evergreen perennial. This means it'll come back year after year, with proper care, bringing its stunning foliage and delicate white flowers season after season. What makes Heuchera Grape Expectations special? There's a reason this Heuchera variety has Grape Expectations in its name. It truly lives up to the hype. Here's what sets it apart. Color. The star of the show is undoubtedly the foliage. It emerges a vibrant grape purple in spring, boasting dramatic black veins. As the season progresses, a subtle silver sheen washes over the leaves, adding another layer of intrigue. Heat and humidity tolerance. Unlike some Heuchera varieties that struggle in hot, humid climates, Heuchera Grape Expectations thrives thanks to its Heuchera villosa parentage. This translates to better heat and humidity tolerance, making it a great choice for gardeners like myself in warmer regions. Form. This Heuchera forms a dense, upright mound with broad, thick leaves. It creates a textural contrast against other plants and adds a touch of architectural interest to shady borders. Flowers. While the foliage is the main attraction, Heuchera Grape Expectations doesn't disappoint in the flower department either. In midsummer, it produces airy white flower sprays on dark purple stems that rise gracefully above the foliage. These delicate blooms attract butterflies and hummingbirds, adding a touch of life to your garden. How to care for Heuchera Grape Expectations. Planting and caring for Heuchera Grape Expectations is relatively simple. Here's what you need to know. Light. It prefers partial shade. Avoid full sun, especially in hot climates, as the leaves can scorch. Soil. Well-drained soil is key. Amend your planting area with compost or other organic matter to improve drainage if needed. Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first growing season. Once established, it's fairly drought-tolerant, but will appreciate occasional watering during extended dry periods. Fertilizer. A light feeding in early spring with a balanced fertilizer is beneficial. How to propagate Heuchera Grape Expectations. Sharing the beauty of Heuchera Grape Expectations is easy. Here are 2 methods for propagation. Division. In spring or fall, carefully dig up a mature clump and divide it into sections, each with healthy roots and crowns. Replant the divisions in prepared soil and water well. Seed. While less common, you can also propagate Heuchera Grape Expectations from seeds sown in late summer or fall. However, seedlings may not always come true to type, meaning they might not have the exact same vibrant foliage color as the parent plant. What to plant with Heuchera Grape Expectations. Heuchera Grape Expectations is a versatile shade-loving plant that pairs well with a variety of companions. Here are some ideas. Hostas. The contrasting textures and colors of Heuchera Grape Expectations and hostas create a stunning combination. Ferns. Ferns add a lush, green backdrop for the vibrant foliage of Heuchera Grape Expectations. Astilbes. The delicate pink or white flowers of astilbes complement the color palette of Heuchera Grape Expectations. Heuchera in other colors. Don't be afraid to mix and match different Heuchera varieties for a stunning display of foliage color. With its stunning foliage, heat tolerance, and ease of care, Heuchera Grape Expectations has exceeded all my expectations. It's a true gem for the shade garden, adding a touch of unexpected color and vibrant life to shady corners. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance perennial that packs a punch, look no further than Heuchera Grape Expectations.